important to do it in the museum because it's a place where some occasional people can come and can participate in this situation, which could be unexpected for them. So they just go to the museum and here face something different, something that they wouldn't reach another way. If we do it in our space, which we don't have anymore, but still it's a space for which common for some special people, some special auditory, some circles, rather not very wide. But museum is a place where people can meet the situation and participate into it. And it may be for these people who are not ready, who are not waiting for this Congress, who know nothing about it, who know nothing about all these initiatives which are painted, which paint the ideas here. People who are far from the contemporary art and so on, and they come and just face it, and they provide their perspective and their experience. So we invited here a lot of activist initiatives which we collaborate with Visual Culture Research Center. We collaborate with a lot of activist initiatives. So we invite a lot of these people here, but also it is very important that they can express their ideas and spread it in the museum for the new auditor and new people. And also we tried to invite a lot of artists, because this was very important also because we have a lot of Ukrainian artists who claim that they have some influence to the society, to the people, who wants somehow to influence the views or the beliefs of the people. But very often this ends up in all these their claims and their initiatives ends up in the closed galleries where all the same people just very close to this contemporary art scene go, and it's like a closed situation. So here we wanted we invite them for they face the people they address to, because they address to the society in general, and here they have an opportunity to interact in a very straightforward way with the people they want to interact actually. I hope so. So we'll see how this communication will go, and I hope that it would be interesting and very useful for the artists themselves.